Hi, I, Roy, have changed my question to ChatGPT into this. Number 6. A breakthrough that could change ordinary human life into an extraordinary life, its secondary effects, and beyond. Also, how far away are we from reaching this?
Number 6. Personal Cognitive Amplifier. AI that makes the human smarter. Imagine an AI whose purpose is not simply to answer your questions or do your work, but to continuously increase what you are capable of understanding, discovering, creating, and deciding. It learns how you think, what you understand, where you repeatedly make mistakes, what assumptions you overlook, what you are trying to accomplish, and what questions you have not thought to ask. Then it challenges you. It might say, "Roy, you're solving the problem you can see. There is another problem underneath it." Instead of replacing your thinking, it becomes a cognitive exoskeleton, helping you investigate ideas, simulate consequences, connect knowledge across disciplines, test assumptions, remember discoveries, recognize patterns, and learn subjects that previously required years of specialized education. Early versions of this are already appearing. Modern AI agents can undertake increasingly long, complicated pieces of knowledge work, and researchers are explicitly studying AI systems designed as tools for thought, rather than simple automation. Human judgment, however, is still essential for validating important results. Secondary effects. Education could become radically individualized. Instead of everyone receiving roughly the same lesson, every person could have a lifelong teacher that understands precisely what they know and teaches the next concept at exactly the right level. Ordinary individuals and very small teams could perform work that once required entire organizations. Scientific research, engineering, invention, business analysis, programming, design, legal research, and complex planning. The difference between an expert and a beginner could shrink not because expertise becomes worthless, but because beginners would have an expert-level thinking partner beside them. That could unleash millions of people whose intelligence and creativity were never fully developed, because they lacked teachers, money, education, confidence, or access. The danger: there is a trap hidden inside this breakthrough. AI assistance is not necessarily intelligence amplification. If the AI continually does the difficult thinking for you, you may become more productive while actually exercising your own reasoning less. Research with knowledge workers has already found evidence of reduced reported critical thinking effort in some AI-assisted situations. So the real breakthrough is not human plus smarter AI. It is human AI stronger. Human AI still stronger. Human. The system must deliberately teach, challenge, question, and strengthen the person using it. The ultimate test would be fascinating. Turn the AI off. Is the human now more capable than before? If the answer is yes, we have built something fundamentally different from today's assistant. How far away? 2026. Primitive version. Here now, AI already expands what an individual can research, write, analyze, build, and investigate, and agent systems are rapidly taking on longer delegated tasks. To 2028. 2031. Serious cognitive partner. Plausible. Persistent memory, personalized teaching, continuous project awareness, sophisticated agents, and multimodal systems could begin producing something recognizably like a personal cognitive amplifier. To 2031. 2040. Genuine intelligence amplification. Possible, but much less certain. The AI would need to demonstrably improve a person's reasoning, learning, creativity, and judgment over years, rather than merely completing tasks for them. And the strongest version, an AI that can reliably push an ordinary person's intellectual capability far beyond today's normal human range, has no defensible arrival date yet. Beyond. This could quietly become one of the biggest equalizers in human history. A farmer, teenager, retiree, mechanic, nurse, or garage inventor could someday have access to a cognitive partner comparable to having a university, research laboratory, engineering department, and group of world-class advisors sitting beside them. And then something stranger happens. Humanity's bottleneck stops being Who already knows the answer? It increasingly becomes, who can discover the question nobody has asked yet? That, Roy, is the version of number 6 I would lock in. And there is the part I think we didn't see the first time. Number 6 isn't really about making AI intelligent. It's about designing AI so that human intelligence compounds instead of atrophies. That distinction may determine whether this breakthrough enlarges humanity or merely makes us dependent on something smarter than us.